If GOG Galaxy is throwing the 0xC00007B error on your PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that you can try right now. This error is often caused by missing or corrupted system files, broken redistributables, DirectX issues, or even a bad installation of the launcher itself. The good news is that most users can fix it without needing advanced technical skills. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC fixes, game launcher tutorials, and troubleshooting guides just like this. Alright, let's get into the steps. First, restart your PC. This may sound basic, but a full restart can clear temporary system problems, refresh background processes, and fix small conflicts that may be stopping GOG Galaxy from opening properly. After your computer boots back up, try launching GOG Galaxy again and see if the error is gone. If it still appears, move on to the next step. Right-click the GOG Galaxy icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to access system files and start correctly. Sometimes the error happens simply because the launcher doesn't have enough privileges to run the way it should. If running as administrator works, you can also set it to always run that way by opening the shortcut properties and adjusting the compatibility settings. But for now, just test it once and see if the issue is resolved. If the error is still there, the next thing you should do is reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Many programs, including game launchers, depend on these Microsoft runtime components to function properly. If they're missing or corrupted, you can get startup errors like 0xC00007B. Go to learn.microsoft.com and search for the latest Microsoft Visual C++ download page. Download the supported versions, install them, and restart your computer afterward. If you already have them installed, reinstalling them can still repair damaged files and replace broken components. After that, the next step is to install DirectX. GOG Galaxy and the games you launch through it may rely on DirectX libraries, and if those files are outdated or damaged, the launcher may fail to open. Go to www.microsoft.com and download the official DirectX package from Microsoft. Install it, follow the prompts, and once again, restart your PC when it's finished. A restart after system component installs is important because it helps Windows register the new files properly. If you still see the error after that, then the issue may be with the GOG Galaxy installation itself. In that case, uninstall GOG Galaxy completely from your computer. After uninstalling, go to GOG.com and download a fresh copy of the latest installer, then reinstall the launcher from scratch. A clean reinstall can fix broken program files, missing dependencies, and damaged settings that may be causing the 0xC00007B error in the first place. Once the new install is complete, open GOG Galaxy again and check whether it starts normally. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and get you back into your games fast. So just to recap, restart your PC, run GOG Galaxy as administrator, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++, install DirectX, and if needed, reinstall GOG Galaxy fresh from the official website. If this tutorial helped you fix the error, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.